Hello all, welcome to the world of anthropology. I am Vishnu Vardhan. I am the faculty of anthropology teaching anthropology since 13 years and I am one of the top scorer in anthropology optional when I was preparing. When there was only 4 attempts, I went to UPSC interview for 3 times and I got very good marks in my attempt where I was writing UPSC examination. Then onwards, I taught at several institutes across India like Fortune IAS Academy Trivandrum for 3 years, IAS Baba Bengaluru, Maluka IAS Delhi. At Hyderabad, nearly more than 5 academies I taught anthropology as the optional. After 12 years of very broad experience of teaching nearly 80 batches of anthropology, now I am teaching anthropology only with Vishnu IAS Academy. And my services of anthropology is only with my own students. So today, I am going to explain you about the book list. What are the books which you need to read in order to crack anthropology, and that too with the marks 300 plus. So what are the books, basic books, or what are the standard books which you have to read for anthropology? First, I will discuss about the syllabus. 2 papers untai, paper 1, paper 2, there will be 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. So this is about the anthropology in which we have 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1, I divided the paper 1 into 6 modules, which consists of introduction of anthropology and evolution of man, how the man is getting evolved, and archaeology, about Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, these all will be in the archaeology. Socio-culture anthropology, family, marriage, kinship, economic systems, political systems, religion, these all things will be here. And anthropological theories, thought process, how the culture has been evolved, how the civilization has been evolved, how the religion has been evolved, anthropological thought will be there. And physical anthropology with respect to the genetical things, the little bit of biology will be there in this physical anthropology. And applications of anthropology, what we read anthropology, we will be applying that. That is under the topic called as applications of anthropology. So for this 6 modules of paper 1, what are the books we need to refer? For that, I recommend you for paper 1 books, Ember and Ember. Ember and Ember is the international standard book. This book will give very good perspective. This book will give very good idea about the anthropology. So you can start your journey of anthropology by reading this book, Ember and Ember Anthropology. And the next, in socio-culture anthropology, you have to read Introduction to Socio-culture Anthropology, which is written by Madan and Majumdar. Ee pustakam, Madan and Majumdar ane book. Madan and Majumdar is a very good book for socio-culture anthropology of paper 1. Next, there is anthropological thought, anthropological thinkers. We saw that anthropological thinkers, every thinker is covered in this particular book called as History of Anthropological Thought, which is written by Upadhyaya and Pandey, very, very famous book. You can read this book, Anthropological Thought. Then, physical anthropology, where the biology part is there, physical anthropology, you have to read the book called as P-Nath. P-Nath is a book which you have to read, physical anthropology. P-Nath. Physical anthropology, you have to go with P-Nath book. Then, sir, you tell me one book which will be helpful for anthropology preparation. At Vishnu IAS Academy, we had compiled all the books which are available in the market and we made into 2 books. That is Anthropology, paper 1 and paper 2. You can read this book. This book is available in Amazon as well. This is one book which covers paper 1, paper 2 holistically. Apart from our book, you can take Physical Anthropology by P-Nath. You can take Anthropological Thought by Upadhyaya and Pandey. You can take Socio-culture Anthropology by Madan and Majumdar. You can take Anthropology by Ember and Ember. This is with respect to paper 1. Then paper 2. This is evolution of man in the world. This is evolution of man in India. Indian social system, caste system, these all things are present in Indian social system. Development of anthropology in India, how the anthropology has been evolved. Development of anthropology in India, 3rd. Indian village system, what are the problems of farmer? Impact of globalization and Indian farming system. Agrarian social structure, what are the problems of agrarian farmers? These all things we will be discussing here. Tribal India, tribal problems, tribal issues will be covered in this particular module. Then Indian social issues, regionalism, secularism, communalism, ethnic conflicts, these are all covered in this particular, this 6. So paper 2 consists of 9 units, paper 1 consists of 12 units. As I already told, for paper 1, Anthropology, Ember and Ember, Madan and Majumdar, Socio-culture Anthropology, History of Anthropological Thought, which is written by Upadhyaya and Pandey, Physical Anthropology by P-Nath, and if not, only one book, this is one-stop solution for your anthropology preparation. I will be showing you the physical books also. Give me 2 minutes of time. Now I will go to Anthropology Paper 2. Anthropology Paper 2, Archeology. Here world archaeology is covered and Indian archaeology is covered by the book name called as An Outline of Indian Prehistory. You will get an idea of world also. You will get inside depth of Indian archaeology as well. This book you have to read, which is of D.K. Bhattacharya, in order to cover your archaeology. Then for social problems in India, Indian society, Ram Ahuja book, which is called as Social Problems in India. Indian social system is covered in this particular book. Ram Ahuja book you have to read. And apart from that, NCERT books, this is compulsory. Test NCERT class 12, which is called as Indian Society. Indian Society class 12th book is very important for Anthropology Paper 2. NCERT 11th class book also. Understanding Society. NCERT 11th class book. Understanding Society. This also 11th class and 12th class NCERTs are very, very important for Anthropology Paper 2. Not that, more. Indian Anthropology by Nadim Asnain. Indian Anthropology by Nadim Asnain. This is very important book for the sake of understanding Indian anthropology. Evolution of anthropology in India, Indian social system. These all things are covered in this particular textbook called as Indian Anthropology by Nadim Asnain. Then the Tribal India, the very famous Tribal India book, which is written by the same Professor Sir Nadim Asnain. Tribal India, Nadim Asnain. This is the Tribal India book which you have to read for your Tribal India. These are the books which you have to read for Tribal India as well as all the topics of paper 2. If you cover this, your preparation will be completed. But however, some dynamic concepts like XAXA committee report, to read or not to read, very big question. XAXA, Virginia XAXA committee is there, which is constituted by the government of India in 2013. That committee report also you have to read. That committee recommendations also you have to read for paper 2. With this, if you want to have one-stop solution, at Vishnu IAS Academy, we compiled all the books, Indian Anthropology as well as General Anthropology of paper 1. You can see the reviews of the toppers also. Ramit Chinitala, Prasanna, Mrugendralal, Sankit, these are the toppers, previous toppers who read this book. So this book is one-stop solution for all your anthropology. Like this, you will be getting one book for paper 1. Similarly, you will be getting another book in paper 2. Both will be packed in this particular format, and these books are available in Amazon. If not, you can read all these books. This is a book list for anthropology. And we are coming up with new anthropology batch from June 12th, 2023, whereby complete mentorship, 1 year validity, lifelong mentorship of an anthropology will be provided Vishnu IAS Academy by Vishnu Vardhan sir. Thank you. Jai Hind.